I'm looking for a new challenge, for a new Python automation to try. Browsing r/Python. I do this when I'm bored sometimes. That's the one. Albert ID 5 years ago. He used Python and the company's energy monitor to write a script that would notify him when there was a power spike that would indicate fresh coffee had been brewed. That's what I want. The perfect test. I'll need to find a socket plug that can be controlled via Wi-Fi. They all seem to communicate via apps only, so I won't be able to use a simple web scraper to gather the data. This would be a problem for people, but not for me. I live with this shit. I'll need to intercept the traffic from my phone to the plug. Simple enough. I'll do a man-in-the-middle attack using Midden proxy and scrape the mobile API. The next step will be to configure my device to use the proxy and to trust it. I'm in. I can see all the API calls that are made from my device. I need to find out which domain that the Wi-Fi plug uses. Then I'll just add an inline script to ignore all other domains except the one I'm listening to. Okay, now to find the post request that provides me with the JSON data for the energy consumption used by the plug. I'll need a unique header so that I can write a script that filters out only the requests with the energy data. There we go. Now I can tap into the feed. The final step will be to write a script that reads the energy usage and time. That's all the information I need. Just a few simple lines of code should do the job. What do regular people do in their spare time? I don't know. I code. That's what I do. That's what I know. Done. Shame. I don't even drink coffee.